show you how to install this COMsole and how quick and easy this is. One of the things that makes this really unique is there's no plastics to pull on this. So you open the box, you're going to have some wires coming out of it already that you're going to run. And if you look up at most of the machines, all have a crossbar right across here that's the same. This is a Can Am Sport. If you look at the front of this one, it's actually got a bracket that is welded on for rear view mirrors. So when typically you have clamps that you run through these tabs on the COMsole and it clamps to it, but when you put this up here, you see that that is in the way of it, so you can't do it. But what we've done is we've designed this so there's additional holes in here. So when you have situations like this where it's not exactly standard, there's still a lot of flexibility with it. So what we do on this is we hold this thing up here and center it onto the roof where we want it, and then we take the drill bit that is included and we push it up through and mark on the ceiling where it's at. You can use a Sharpie to do that. You pull it down, grab your drill, and everybody's roof's a little different, but that's it. Now we put this up into place and we're going to run our bolts through the top and down into the COMsole. Okay, so completed the install. You can see got some bright lights on it. We ran our cables down the middle, and so you kind of have a cool effect to get your cables to the back, and pretty straightforward to do. Again, no plastics to pull on this. Easy to read the screen. As long as you got your head above water, this thing's got its head above water, and all compartmentalized inside of a single unit there. And if you want to kill the power to it so it doesn't drain your battery, boom. Super easy to make sure that there's no power leakage on that. So there it is, the COMsole install inside of a Can Am Maverick Sport